Laken's big brother Jaden right here is hooking it up for him. That's his go-to man right here. I want to know who's gonna win. Now guess what? There's a surprise. Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you. Yum, yum, yum. Now I want to whoever wins the fight. You want to bite? All right, get a bite. Go ahead. Oh. Well, so I'm gonna take me a big old bite. Now that is a big old bite. And watch this. Now that was delicious. See how you make her cake disappear? Superman versus Batman. It's gonna be you and Jaden, and we're gonna see who's gonna win. Y'all finna. All right, are you ready to rumble? It's gonna be Laken and Jaden. Jaden is in his corner with Batman, and don't tell me he uppercut Superman. And Laken is in this corner, and they started the fight before I was able to moderate it. But anyway, whoa, knocked that one here. See, that wasn't fair. He wasn't even.
Stop.
Jaden, you set him up. He wasn't even ready. He wasn't even put in right. You didn't even set it up. Come on, get him, Laken, get him. There you go. Knockout.
All right, next one wins. Ready?
All right, it's 1-1. Let's see who's gonna win. It's a tie. Superman just landed in his cake. There you go. Keep doing it. Keep punching. Yes! Yay! Laken wins! Look at him! Good job! Oh, he just gave him a sucker punch. Whoa, look at him get. Look at him go. Look at Superman throwing his dude. Pew. So it got good. Okay, let's go to the next one. What else are we gonna play with?
Maybe this.
That was fun. Man, you gotta do it one day. What you got right here? All right, we got your.
I was really talking about this. This is so cool.
Oh, seriously?
Pow!
Whoa, crazy dude. Look at Laken. Laken let you let Kion come out. You let the lion come out. Did you just roar at me like a lion? Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at that, Laken. Look at that boy. Put it on
the floor.
Oh, you want it on the floor? But no, put it up there. That way you can see it. That way you can play it up there. Oh man.
Is it a big one? A tall one?
No, those are little action figures. Yeah.
It's supposed to be tall.
Yep, sit him up here. Whoa! Cowabunga dudes! That's right, we are the Ninja Turtles.
I'm gonna show you.
What's that song? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Something in a hard shell. I don't know. Well, look at your shirt. Let me take your shirt. Like it. Oh, nice shirt, buddy. You got all of them on there. Whoa, you like your shirt?
Yeah.
So, hey, Laken, guess what? I forgot to tell you something. You know what? You forgot. Hey, listen. You know what? Laken, I just remembered something. It's your birthday, dude.
Yay!
All right, and then where's the toys at? The little ones? Yep. So, there we go. Oh, you got some Play-doh. Yum. Good. You finna make sure you make me a banana split. Oh, yeah. Make me a banana split. Ice cream. Look at the little spoons. That's so cute. I can't believe it. Oh, look at those. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. What you doing, Lola? You making up? Oh, let me see this. Let me see the front of this.
Wait.
Whoa, a banana split. Oh, man. Ice cream. Sundae. You too, you know, have your hand reach in there and play with it, and you know how y'all do it. corner. I got it. Man, look at these little mugs. Oh my goodness. They got little nunchucks.
Where's the
These
ladder?
mugs are so small. Wow. Look at him. Whoa, look at me, buddy. I'm the little Ninja Turtle. Whoa, look at that dude right there. Whoa. Okay, he's putting it together right now.
Your sister knows the one.
Wow, look at that. This is headquarters, Ninja Turtle headquarters. It's shaped just like a Ninja Turtle. Let me see.
No.
Whoa, look at that, look at that.
Is it done? Is that the seat, Jaden?
Yeah, these right here. Actually. Alright, so you open it up. So you playing with the banana split one. Oh man. Y'all are hooking it up, man.
Yeah, see, yeah.
What you got there? Is that a strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yum, yum.
You can eat it.
I can eat it.
Yeah. No, it's pretend Play-doh.
Yes, pretend.
Yeah. That's Play-doh.
Oh man. Look at you. Let's tell the kids what you got right here. That's a Ben 10. What's that?
Morphin'
What's
Chuck.
Yeah.
It's a Morphin' Chuck. Open it. Okay. Now, let's open it. Start opening it. Whoa.
Get it? Yeah, I help you out. Yeah.
No, I can't.
Oh, yep.
I gotta flip out upside down. Okay?
That's Whoa. You trying to take this shake? You can't shake tape off. It's sticky. What you got there? Whoa!
That's all.
Alright, we'll move that there.
It's already put together.
Oh man, that's cool.
What about
Wow. Open this up. This is the Ben 10 push bucket assembly. And you put the tape. Oh, you gotta put all the stickers on there.
No.
Alright, we'll put the stickers in a little bit later.
Thanks for sharing my birthday cakes. See you next time. Bye. Give us a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye.
Ah, don't shoot us!